Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a blog to your Weebly website. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first is I'm going to open up my computer browser, and as you can see, I'm on my Weebly website. So in order for us to add a blog, we must first create a blog option right about here. So in order to do that, we will go to pages and click on this plus icon right here. And you can select any particular page that you want. So just select blog page because we are making or adding a blog page to our website. So I'm just gonna click on blog page right about here, and now you can just simply click on done right about here. So next, once you have done that, the blog is already in your website. All you need to do is go to the new post right here to start posting a blog to your website. So I'm just going to click on new post right about there. And now you can post a title like, for example, blog number 1. And now you can drag some elements right a bit about here. So you can just simply click on text and drag the element or drag the text element anywhere on the screen right here. So there you have it. You can now add a blog, or you can now start typing something so that you can post a topic to your blog. So it's as simple as that. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do find this helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!